Hi, I'm Carolyn Collier from Harcourts, Wairarapa. Welcome to my latest listing at 75 Titoki Street, Masterton. This home has the ultimate views, whether it's a fresh dusting of snow on the Tararua Ranges or an evening sunset, this home won't disappoint. As you walk in the front door, you'll immediately be greeted with expansive views that will absolutely captivate you. My vendors bought this home and have completely renovated it from double glazing right through to a stunning neutral colour palette with no expense spared. Boasting an open plan modern kitchen, dining and family room, this home interconnects easily with the formal lounge for family gatherings and the covered deck for a quiet gin with a view. This home features 3 bedrooms plus a study nook and 2 bathrooms, and is completed with a guest house that includes a lounge, a separate bedroom and an ensuite ideal for extended family or guests. Outside they've added a carport, a new garage and workshop which enhances the practical appeal of this home. Thank you for watching my latest property video of this very special property. Call me today for your own private viewing or come and see me on Sunday.